29.89 minus 15.03 into 3.692 is equal to 1039.88 divided by question mark. That is the question. Options A 6, B 8, C 4, B 2. So by looking at the options, we can understand that approximations will be necessary at the end, rounded to integers. Now, given expression, that means this can be approximated to 320. From the beginning, we are approximating values. If it is more than 5, this will be 390, will be 320, minus this will be 15. This will be 3.7. 6 means 3.69 means 3. Here we have taken it as 3.7. Because it is not exactly 8 or 9, it's only 6. 3.7. Let us take it as 3.7 in the beginning. 1039 point. If you 1040, will be 1040. 1040 divided by, let it be x. You always try to bring x to the left side. So entire left hand, entire right side to the left side, entire left side to the right side. While you're transforming like that, you can write 1040 divided by x means by x. This is right side on the left side. Now left side on the right side. 320 here. Start the multiplication first, then only subtraction. So 3.7 into 1. It will be 15. 15 not 1.5. 15. It is 3.7. 5, 5, 5. 5. 3, 7. Forget about the decimal and do the usual multiplication. 5, 2, 7. 35, 3, 8, 15 plus 3, 18. 37. 1 decimal place. That is 1 place. 55.5. And then this to be subtracted from 320. So 320 minus, how to write 55.5, 55 point here. Points to be vertical. 320 point. This will be 320 point. Otherwise, we keep 0 here. Subtract 5, 4, 6, 264.5. This can be approximated to 265. Here keep 265. X will be, bring it to the right side and right side and then right on the left side. X will be in the top here. Then this will be the denominator. The denominator 1040 by 265. Answers are only integers 6, 8, 4, 2. This will be 265 will be 2 times 630, 530, 4 times 1060. So it's approximately 4. Answer will be option C. Next question. Anybody asking me? Next question. వీడియో క్లాస్ వచ్చింది. లక్ష్మీ నరసింహ గారు ఎవరు జాయిన్ అయ్యారు, ఇంకా నాగనాంచార్య గారు కూడా జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సాల్వ్ 2 by 9. Leave that problem. That is not relating to decimal fractions. That's why I have left it. Next question. 0.1 into 0.01 into 0.001 into 10 to the power of 7 is equal to that. Answers. Options. I am not giving the options. If it is important, I will give. Otherwise, I won't give. So this is the question. Are in decimal fractions. So all of decimal values, decimal fractions are there in this. So here, simplification of decimal fractions. So you know 1 by 10 is 0.1. In indices, 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 can be written as 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. 1 by 10 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 1. 1 by 100 can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2 and so on. This is in indices. So using that, you have to simplify this one. Point 1 is 1 by 10. First write 1 by 10, otherwise. Because this is the first problem, let us try to expand. The steps we are increasing. Otherwise, directly we can write 10 to the power of minus 1. Here will be 1 by 100. 2 places, shifting, and then 2 zeros. Again, 1 by 1 and 3 zeros. And 10 to the power of 7. Given expression. This will be 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of 7. Okay. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n in indices. So, similarly, all indices can be added. Here, 10 to the power of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 7. This will be 10 to the power of 0. That will be no. This is 1, 2, 3, 6. 10 to the power of 1 will be there. That is 10. Option is 10. Option C is 10. That is the problem. Okay. Next question. 3.25 into 3.20 minus 3.20 into 3.05 by 0.064 is equal to. That is the question. Options are there. Don't worry about the options. By looking at this, you have to see common point here in these both products. 3.20 is common. So that will be 3.20, take 3.20 common, 3.25 minus 3.05. Taking this common, this will be left by 0.064. By subtracting 3.25 minus 3.05, what will be the result? 0.20. 3.20 into 0.2 simply you can write 0.2. This 0 is not necessary. 0.064. That to multiply by 2 and keep the distance, total distance. 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 decimals. That means 1, 2, 0 point. Numerator. Denominator is also 0.064. That will be 1 only. Oh, no. Just wait. This decimal we don't count. 32 into 264. Only 2 decimals. 0.64 by 0.064. This will be, actually this is, numerator is 10 times the denominator. Directly you can write down also 10. Because 0.064 into 10 is equal to shifting one step towards right, 0.64. Answer will be 10 and option B. Next question. Out of the fractions 3 by 7, 4 by 11, 5 by 9, 6 by 13, and 7 by 12, which is the second largest. Second largest. It is better to convert these fractions into decimal fractions. That will be easier without doing LCM and all that. 3 by 7 will be 0.428. You try yourself. 4 by 11 will be only division only, other division only. 0.34 times 28 to 20, 2 times 14, 6, 60, 8 times 56 number. After 3 decimal places we have taken. 4 by 11, 0.364, and 5 by 11, 5 by 9, 0.556, and 6 by 13 will be 0.462. 7 by 12 will be 0.583. Second largest will be this one. Second largest will be this. So 5 by 9 is the answer. 5 by 9 is the second largest. Next question. The value of 0.125 plus 0.027 by 0.5 into 0.5 plus 0.09 minus 0.15 is, what is the value? Simplification again. You have to do with the formula that I will give you first in the beginning. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. You will use here. This because by observation, this will be 0.5 whole cube. 0.5, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Three decimal values, 1, 2, 3, 0.125 will be cube root of 0.5. So we have to write 0.5 whole cube. This one. Similarly, 0.027 will be cube root of 0.09. 0.09 into 0.09 into 0.09. 9 into 9 into 81 into 9. No, sorry. You have to imagine this as b square. 0.3 whole square will be 0.3 square will be 0.3. 0.3 into 0.3 will be 0.09. 339, two decimal places, 1, 2 point. So imagine this as 0.3 whole square. So this will be 0.3 whole cube. 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 is equal to 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. 27, 1, 2, 3 places. 1, 2, 0, 0.027 or 0.027. So 0.3 whole cube. Numerator will be like that. Denominator 0.5 whole square plus 0.3 whole square minus, looking at the formula, A into B, 0.3 into 0.5, 0.5, 0.15, 0.3 into 0.5, 5 into 3, 15, 1, 2, 2 places, 1, 2, 0.15. So 0.5 into 0.3, this will be 0.15 will be written like this. Now, here in this formula, if this is the formula, you can write like this: A cube plus B cube by A plus B will be is equal to A square plus B square minus AB. A cube plus B cube by A plus B will be a square plus b square minus ab. This will be the denominator. A plus b, a cube plus b cube by a plus b is equal to right side a square plus b square minus ab will be there. So a cube plus b cube by a square plus b square minus ab. Now, this is one formula. Another formula is a cube plus b cube by a square plus b square minus ab. This divided by this one gives a plus b. Gives a plus b. A cube plus b cube by a square plus b square minus ab will be a plus b only. A plus b means a will be 0.3, b will be here 0.3 and plus 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.3. That will be 0.8. Answer. Next question. Next question is 2 1.5 by 5. Generally, there will be representation like this. Hypothetically, this will be right. Plus 2 1 by 6. Because it is mixed fraction. Generally, we don't represent like this 1.5. 1.5 is actually 3 by 2. For testing, it has given like this 2 1 by 6 minus 1 3.5 by 15 is equal to question mark 4 to the power of 1 by 3 by 4 plus 1 7 by 30. 1 7 by 30. So I found out question mark, that is unknown value. That is the question. And represent it by x. So simultaneously we are changing this. In the rough work, directly you have to try to solve. Don't waste time. This one, how 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1.5, 11.5 by 5. This will be. If it is 3 1 by 2, what it will be? 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay. Likewise. 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Minus. Here, 15 to 1, 15. 15 plus 3.5, 18.5 by 15 is equal to. And it will be x. X to the power of 1 by 3. What is x to the power 1 by 3? A cube is 27. A cube is 27. 27 can be expressed as 3 cube. So, written as A cube. Here, for representation's sake, E can be expressed as cube root of 27 1 by 3. So, you bring this 3 to the other side, 3 will be 1 by 3. That's all. So, A can be written as, if A cube is 27, A can be written as 27 to the power of 1 by 3. That is the meaning of 1 by 3. Cube root of, that means cube root of, otherwise written as cube root of 27. So x to the power of 1 by 3, that means cube root of x by 4 plus 30 plus 7, 37 by 30. Now, try to decrease the lessen the steps. So bring this to the left side. That means this mainly X portion. Otherwise, that is the one model. Otherwise, take LCMs also. 30 LCM here. Here 6 times it is 69. 6 into 11.5. 66 plus 3, 69. 5 times 65 minus 2 times 37 is equal to LCM will be 60, 15 times. 15 x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 2 times 74. This will be one more step. Let us write one more step. Here, #65. That will be 4, 134 minus 37 will be 97. Numerator will be 97 by 30 is equal to 15 x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 74 by 60. 60. Here, I can do this. You try to do this. 60, 13, 62 times. Likewise, also you can do. 2 into 29, 2 into 97. If you bring 60 here, 2 times will be there. Again, bringing the 2 to the other side will be 1 by 2. That's all. Two into 97 is equal to 15 x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 74. Now bring 15 x to the power of on the left side. 15 x to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to this 194 multiplied by 2. This is as it is right side written on left side. So 194, this will be brought here 184 minus 74. That will be 120. X to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 120 by 15. That will be 8. If x to the power of 1 by 3 is 8, x will be 8 cube. That will be 8 into 8 into 8. 64 into 8. 512. 512 will be the answer. Next question. The value of 0.0 0.06 whole square plus 0.47 whole square plus 0.079 whole square by 0.006 whole square plus 0.047 whole square plus 0.0079 whole square. That is the question. Find out the value. There are similarities between numerator figures and denominator figures. This is 10 times this one. So we write here 0. If it is 0.06 by 10, what will it be? If this is, if square is taken for this one, square is taken 0.06 by 10 square, what will be this? First observe, try to observe this one. 0.06 whole square by 10 square. So what I'm trying to do is 0.06 by 10 whole square. So we have divided by 10 square here. So originally 10 square is not there. So 10 square will be outside. 100. If you multiply by 100, that will be enough. You cross check. 100 into 100 will be 100 into this one. Similarly, 100 into 0.47 whole square, 0.047, getting equal to denominators plus 100 into 0.0079 whole square by 10 by 10. Divided by denominator 0.006 whole square plus 0.047 whole square plus 0.079 whole square. Bring 100 common. The remaining portion will be exactly equal to the denominator. 100 into 8, all that. Denominator, same thing. Answer will be 100. Answer will be 100. Next question. I hope you understood. 100 is taken 0.06. This will be again 0. This will be replaced by 0.006. 0.006. This will be replaced by 0.47 by 100, not 0.47. 47 by 10. Here also 0.79 by 10. 79 by 10. 0.047 will be answer for this. 0.0079 will be answer for this one. So exactly denominator. One more question. We are going to complete decimal fractions chapter also. 1576 divided by 45.02 plus 23.86 99 into root 255 question mark. We observe the Bodmer's rule. Of course, in the next chapter, simplification chapter, we will do step by step Bodmer's rule application. Thing is, options are 340, 420, 380, 460. Integral values. Options are 340, 420, 380, 460. Those are the options. So here also approximation necessary. Given expression. $15.76. Apply directly divisions first by 45.02. Of course, directly you can keep two zeros here and remove this one also. Just for understanding, I'm repeating the steps. Extra steps I'm doing. You can eliminate those steps also. Plus, multiplication is necessary first, then only addition. What about this multiplication? Here, take it as 24 because all our answers digits only, no decimal values. Approximated to 24, and this is approximated to 255 square root. For 256, there is square root 16. So this can be taken as 16. Approximated to 16. Root 256 we have taken. Next. Now, what will happen this one? Remove decimals in the denominator. So 1576 and 2 zeros by 4502 plus 24 into 16. This will be done first. Finally, plus will be there. Addition will be there. Here, how to divide this one? If it is difficult and you adopt this procedure, one of the methods 40521 and 4502 9004 two times 4502 605 30 13,506 three times. Here 15476 not divisible by 4 digits. So 15,000 up to 15,000 we have to go. 4,502 18,008 4 times. So this will be more than the 15,000. So take 3 times. 15,000 15,760. That means 1,57,600. 4,500 division. 3 times 13,506. 454 2 2. And add, they're having 52,000. So add one more. 4,502. 22 5 times. 5 times. 22 5 times. 30. So take it as 35. Take it as 35. This will be, the fraction will be 35 plus 24 into 16. 24 into 16. 384 will be 35 plus 384. That will be 419. That will be approximately to 420, one of the choices. 420. 420 will be the choice. Decimal fraction step is completed. Next step is simplification. And there know the some principles and some problems also. Next step is simplification. We'll know here various examples for simplification. Several models. There are no principles actually, but one rule I've been telling you, BOD must. BODMAS. Bar bracket, B bracket, O of division, D multiplication, opposite by M, addition, addition, opposite by A, subtraction, represented by S. BODMAS. That is the order of operations in simplification. Of course, we generally use this principle. Again, I'm insisting for that in this chapter. There is one thing, bar also. For example, 3 minus 4 minus 5 bar will be there. This is also that vernaculum or bar. This is symbol and pronounced as bar. It's called bar. This is also same thing, bracket. Nothing more than that. Okay. This is the order of operation. First bracket, next half, next division, next multiplication, next addition, next subtraction, final subtraction. You should not revert it, revert the process. You should not do addition subtraction first. Only you should divisions and multiplications should be taken up first. And brackets will be generally done. Don't forget to take divisions and multiplications first. Division first, multiplication next, next addition, next subtraction. Bad must rule. I will give you some formulae, general formulae everywhere, general algebraic formulae. You know all that, but again, repeating. You should memorize all these. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Mathematically, you will write actually A square plus 2AB plus B square. That is mathematics students write. I also know write like this. Write like this. But usually now in the textbooks, yeah, it is a method adapted now. So I am shifting to that. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2 into A square plus B square. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Vice versa also. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Always from left to right or right to left. You have to memorize both sides in both ways. A cube, A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B is B cube. So 3AB into A plus B. A minus B whole cube. A minus A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. ఇది ఎప్పుడైనా మర్చిపోతే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఏదన్నా ఇది ఏ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బి క్యూబ్ 3 ప్లస్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి అని ఉంది కదా. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ దీనిలో ఎక్కడ మైనస్ లో గుర్తు లేకపోతే ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ ఎలా రాయాలి గుర్తు లేకపోతే కూడా ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ రైట్. ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? దిస్ వన్ పుట్ మైనస్ బి వేర్ ఎవర్ దేర్ ఇస్ బి. ఏ ప్లస్ మైనస్ బి whole cube. Memorization made easier. So A cube, B will be minus B whole cube plus 3 into A into minus B bracket A plus minus B. So I have written minus B wherever there is B. So this will be A minus B whole cube. Minus B whole cube will be plus of minus. Minus will be there. This will be my A minus B whole cube will be there. Minus B whole cube will be minus B cube. Here minus into plus minus will be there. Minus into plus minus will be there. So this will come. Okay. ఒక్కటి ప్లస్ తో ఉన్న ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మైనస్ ఫార్ములా మర్చిపోవడానికి వీల్లేదు. మర్చిపోకూడదు. మర్చిపోతే ఇలా చేయొచ్చు, గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్ దీస్ ఫార్ములే అసలు ప్లస్ ఫార్ములే గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే మైనస్ ఫార్ములాలు మర్చిపోవచ్చు. ఆటోమేటిక్ గుర్తుండిపోతాయి. మర్చిపోయినా చేసేయచ్చు. A cube, A minus B whole cube. Next thing. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A cube minus B cube is equal to ఇది వేరు హోల్ క్యూబ్, ఇది విడివిడిగా A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. చూసారు ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. దీని మైనస్ బి అనుకుంటే ఇది వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ దీని మైనస్ బి ఇది వస్తుంది, దీని మైనస్ బి అనుకుంటే ఇది అయిపోతుంది అంతే. ఇక్కడ దీని మైనస్ బి అనుకుంటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. టూ బోర్ A plus B plus C whole square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. One more is A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to minus 3ABC is it 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. ఇది యూజ్ చేయము. Others are generally used. Other formula are used. Some set formulae are also given. I will write down here also. Venn diagrams. This set A and set B. This is called A intersection B. A intersection B. This portion. This portion will be A minus B. This portion will be B minus A. That is representation of Venn diagram. Or some questions, this may be necessary in simplification chapter or in any other chapter. They are all fundamental chapters up to 11 chapters. So you note down these formulae also. Elements in A minus B will be plus A minus B plus elements in A intersection B. A intersection B. What is intersection and union? Union means whole. A and B whole. A elements and B elements what? Remove common elements will be A union B. Between A and B, the common elements, only common elements will be A intersection B. A minus B means elements of A minus removing elements of B. B minus A means elements of B eliminating, removing elements of A. That's all. Here, elements of A intersection B both put together gives elements of A. By picture, you can understand. A minus B dot dashes are there. An intersection B means this portion. Both put together elements of A only. Then that is one. A minus B plus A intersection B gives A simply. Second one is n B minus A plus n A intersection B gives n B. Similarly, B minus A that's portion plus A intersection B gives B. That's all. Third point, third formula, n A union B is n A minus B plus n A intersection B plus n B minus A. N A union B. And then without repetition, total elements in A and B. So n A union B, if you want one, A minus B portion, this portion, dashes portion, intersection portion, this one, and dots portion, this portion. Total will be A union B. That's all. And only four formulae. Fourth one, n A union B can also be written as NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. A తీసుకుని మొత్తం బి తీసుకుని మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసి ఏం చేసి మీ మధ్యలో పోర్షన్ రిపిటేషన్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి తీసేస్తే అట్లు ఏ ఉంటుంది. Those are the 4 formulae, and we have to go to examples tomorrow. So any questions? Otherwise, I will close.
No, sir.
Anybody? Okay. I'm closing.
No, sir.